Hello everyone, welcome you all. Myself Chavi, your political science teacher. Today I will gonna explain you the cartoons given in chapter 1 Constitution Why and How. But before that, I request you all to please like, share and subscribe this channel. So students always remember that cartoons are not just drawing or sketches, but they have a rich history. These cartoons helps to create a scene or a situation, and they are very important from the point of view of your examination as well. You can see these pictures in your book and you will notice that below every cartoon or every picture there is a question. So let's start with the first. In this picture, group of people are there and two person are showing a sheet on which European Constitution is written. And below the picture there is a question. Countries of the European Union tried to create a European constitution. I hope you have understood that during that time the European Union also tried a constitution, a forming of a constitution, but the attempt was failed. Means they were not able to make a successful constitution. Here's a cartoonist impression of this attempt. Now the question is, does this always happen in any constitution making? The answer for this is this does not happen in all making of the constitution. There can be many reasons behind a failure. Because our constitution was a successful one and it is one of the best example. The various reasons can be that they had not prepared the constitution properly, or might be the management was not good. Even it is written one point over here that if the constituent assemblies representatives are elected either indirectly or directly from all parts of the society, the attempt of framing the constitution would be effective. This cartoon is depicted the picture of our first Prime Minister of independent India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. As we know that he was a man who possessed the foresight that helped the country walk the path of modernity. Over here, he is trying to balance between the different visions and ideologies because of the various diversities. As we know that India is a diverse country and everyone expected something different from their constitution. In this picture, it includes various members like the members of liberals and radicals. They all were different in their approach and expected different from the constitution. And Nehruji is trying to balance between the different groups. If you read carefully, Vande Mataram and Jan Gan Man is written in the picture. Both the songs Vande Mataram and Jan Gan Man are accepted as national heritage. Our national anthem always starts and ends are all national festivals and different ceremonies. As we know that India is a secular, liberal and democratic country and protect unity in diversity. Similarly, in this picture, the cartoon depicts the three different or ethnic groups in Iraq, including the Kurdis, the Sunnis and the Shias. The above ethnic groups each stand for their respective ideologies, interests and philosophy. The Iraqi people actually expected to frame a constitution that would be accepted by all three ethnic groups of Iraq. Later, in this picture, the cartoonist described the new Iraqi constitution as the castle of cards. Why? Because the constitution structure was built on a shaky foundation, which can be easily collapsed if any of the element is removed. Now the question is, would this description apply to the Indian constitution? Now I want this answer from you people. You all are going to think about it and in my comment section you will write the answer. I hope you have understood the meaning of the cartoons today. Read and learn this chapter. Give me the answer of this question because after reading and learning about the entire chapter, you can easily give me the answer. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.